Cathie Wood just said this about Bitcoin. But before we get into that, let's take a quick deep dive into Bitcoin and what exactly is going on in today's Bitcoin update. Ladies and gentlemen, we started the day off a little strong and we saw, I believe, 113. Yeah, we literally saw 113 and then boom, sell off again into 110. So the weekend is here among us, guys. I don't know if we're going to have a bearish or bullish weekend. It's kind of hard to tell because of how I want to say not volatile, but more or less how volatile it's been in this 109 to 114 range. I mean, we pretty much saw it all week. I mean, it's just been a steady climb and then a dip and a climb and then a dip. And I mean, yeah, it hasn't really been too juicy. Now, in the past month, guys, we are now down 4.5%. We're going to go over a couple of different things as to why that is. We're going to talk about a plethora of different things today. So let's get right into it. Starting off, guys, ARK Invest's CEO, Cathie Wood, says their bull case for Bitcoin is well over $1 million in 5 years. Now, I want you guys to let me know, do you think in 5 years we will see a $1 million Bitcoin? Is it going to happen? Is it possible? What do you think? And what is your price prediction for the next Jesus freaking Christ. What is your price prediction for 5 years for the price of one Bitcoin? Let me know in the comments down below. Now, what's interesting is the 1 year chart is still up almost 2x, right? Still up 95.5%, which is quite interesting. Now, it really blows my mind to think you could have literally got Bitcoin a year ago for 57K and now we're at 111. Like, who could have really predicted that? I don't know. Now, the supply shock is imminent. Now, I don't know how accurate these numbers are. I think these might be off a little bit, but apparently, allegedly, 20,000 Bitcoin was mined in 2025, and 250,000 Bitcoin was bought by public companies in 2025. So, you know, if you do the math, there's eventually going to be a supply shock. I keep on talking about it, right? Now, some more bullish overall news. The Bank of America now expects the Federal Reserve to cut rates twice this year. So I'm pretty sure we're supposed to see rate cuts like in September, like this current month. I don't know when. I'll find out, and obviously you guys will find out here. But twice this year is, I mean, pretty freaking bullish, right? I think it's pretty freaking cool. Now, Bitcoin seasonality. Now, we talked about this yesterday as well. September is usually the worst month for Bitcoin, but October and November are usually the strongest of the year. So that's actually very, very cool to see. And again, you guys could see literally right here, guys. Historically, the average monthly returns for Bitcoin are minus 3.7%, right? October, 21%, and November, 46%. I'm not gonna lie, guys. If Bitcoin wants to go down 3% here, go up 21% in October, and then go 46% up in November, oh, by all means, I will take it. I'm pretty sure that puts us at, if my math is correct, around a $200,000 Bitcoin. Actually, more than a $200,000 Bitcoin, which, listen, if we get that, I might come everywhere, no diddy. Now, billionaire Grant Cardone just sold his $43 million Miami mansion for Bitcoin. So he's refusing to take cash, and the deal closed in just 72 hours. Bitcoin for $43 million. What a freaking deal. Uncle G knows what's up. Now, this is also very interesting. Oh my God, I'm dying. All right, I almost just died, but I'm good. If you guys can leave a like for that, that'd be amazing. Anyways, back to freaking Bitcoin. Very interesting fact. Almost 95% of all Bitcoin addresses are now in profit, which is very bullish. People are in profit taking and are expecting to make more money off Bitcoin, which again is very, very cool to see. And finally, some news from Taiwan. Asia's Sora Ventures announced plans to buy $1 billion of Bitcoin within 6 months. Nothing stops this train. Guys, if you did enjoy this video, I want you guys to do me a quick favor. Leave a like, smash the like button down below, subscribe down below as well, guys. And listen, I will see you all in the next one. Take care.